Good morning. Welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today's May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, 2024. And I know I haven't put up any videos lately, and I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit what I've been up to. Not a whole lot, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, here's the yard, nice and green and everything, but that's because of all the rain we've got. It seems it's been raining every weekend. Here's my fire pit. This was overflowing this morning. And yeah, I haven't got much more done to the fence yet. But one of the projects I did do was I cleaned up the tree and burnt most of it. Believe it or not, it burnt pretty well. Also helped that I had a raging fire going with a bunch of good coals. So even though most of that tree was green, it still burnt right up. And back here, when that tree come down, it was growing through the chicken wire fence that's back here. So I had to put this fence up real quick because I had to take the chicken wire down. And it's not really chicken wire, it's, you know, just this type of wire here. But I had to put the fence up real quick because the dogs would get out with that open. And what I wanted to show you really on this was these pieces here. They're the same as this. See all that old gray wood and everything? That's part of the old fence that come down. And but it cleans up nice. I haven't stained those yet. I didn't have time due to the rain we've been having every friggin' weekend. But I put it up real quick. I will be pulling each one of those slats down. I only put a couple screws in them to hold them up for now till the weather clears, and I'll clean them up and torch them, and then I'll stain them once they dry out. But like I said, I had to do it real quick, and you'll get a kick out of this. I couldn't remove the stump. I didn't have time or equipment, so I just kind of built the fence over the stump. Hey, it works. It keeps the dogs in. And just for basically shits and giggles, I torched part of the plain wood that was standing up right here. That's the back side of the neighbor's fence, and those are the 2x4s I'll be putting my fence slats up on. And you can see the difference. And I was just doing that, you know, to see what it looks like a little bit, and yeah, just because I wanted to. I wanted to empty out the last of the little bit of propane I had in that tank anyway. There wasn't much. That's why I didn't do too much of it. That's where I ran out. But I like the looks of that. I really do. But that's just me. Let me know what y'all think if you like it. Another couple things I got into. Finally fixed the lawnmower for my daughter so I could get my spare lawnmower back. And you know, just regular household duty things, you know, mowing the lawn out front. The back I'm going to let grow here a little bit. I'm trying to let it go to seed, which it is, and that works real well because I don't have a bag. I just let all the clippings fly, and it helps clear up these bare spots. But I'm getting ready after this week, when it stops raining, which the rain don't bother me too much. I have got to till and break up this whole backyard part here. Yeah, where is it? Here we go. From that little piece of metal right here all the way back to that wooden platform, and right about over to where all that junk is piled up right at the edge of it, because that's how big the pool is that we're putting in. You can see a little bit of a circle here now where the old pool was, and I'm moving it back about 8 feet. And at the end there, where that plywood decking is. There used to be an old metal shed there years ago, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of a lean-to roof on the top of the fence here, and that's where I'm going to keep all my lawn mowers and yard equipment and everything right back there. Yeah, I really gotta get off my ass and get this stuff done. That's future projects. And yeah, I still got the pile of wood here, like I said. I got to go through, take all the nails out of this, clean them up, and they'll pretty much finish the rest of the fence. I am gonna need to get enough for enough slats for maybe another 12 feet, not quite 16, but that's what I figure I'll be short. But I'll get that done too. And you know, just between the rain and trying to get stuff done, in between the raindrops and everything, I just haven't had a chance to really set the phone up. Not that I'm real professional or anything, you know, and I mean, I really got to clean up this backyard again. I say that every time. I'm not even going to show you the shed. But anyway, just life gets in the way. Friday, I had Friday off, and Friday was a beautiful day, and I really wanted to get out here and get a lot of stuff done. But of course, I'll put you back here. The wife asked me Thursday night, because she was off Friday too. She said, well, hey, since we're both off tomorrow, would you mind going to a yard sale with me that they're having right down the road real quick in the morning? Because she was looking for a stroller for my youngest, our youngest grandson, Perseus. And she said, would you mind going with me? I was like, yeah, okay, no problem. You know, we'll leave in the morning, be gone for about an hour or so, and I'll come back and hop on some stuff I got to do out in the yard and a couple other projects. No problem. Well, we didn't get to leave till 10 o'clock. 6 hours later, and 27 other little stops at stores and anything else that was on the side of the road. Yeah, we got back at the hottest part of the day, and I'll be honest with you, I was wiped out. I was thoroughly wiped out. I wouldn't have been as tired if I had finished this fence, pulled the engine out of my truck, and dropped the new one in. I don't think I would have been as tired as I was. But anyway, so Friday was gone, and don't get me wrong, I love spending time with the wife, my daughter, and the two youngest grandsons. They went with us, but I don't have the energy to chase them around anymore, you know. That's why I like having them over the house in the backyard. It's kind of a corral for them. But anyway, so that's what I've been up to. Other than that, you know, working a full-time job and everything. That's it. But I just figured I'd put out a little video here, and just to keep in touch. Just to keep in touch. That's all. So I want to thank all my subscribers. You know, I only need 5 more to hit 500. I should plan on doing something for that to celebrate it, and I have no idea. Put down in the comments what you'd like to see for a little bit of a celebratory video or something for reaching 500. I have no clue. I have no idea what to do. But anyway, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank you all for sticking with me and watching and everything. This is awesome. This is awesome. I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have yourselves a good weekend. Have yourselves a good day, and we'll see you next time.